There you go now, fellas. Here we go. Blizzard Brewing Company. Summit Stout. Wow, there you go. This one's brewed Cattle Pen Drive Dinner Plane up in the mountains. This is up near Mount Hotham. Dinner Plane, been there a few times. Alright. I think it's pretty sure it's after you go to Dargo, or towards Dargo from Mount Hotham. The next town's Dinner Plane. Pretty sure. Alright, let's give it a crack. It's an Aussie stout. Let's give it a go. Wow. A lot of licorice. I'm loving it. I love licorice. Really strong licorice. A little bit of chocolate. Faint coffee. Toffee. Luscious caramel. Licorice. Probably straight off the tongue. Strong. Beautiful thing. So this one is enjoy craft beer from Blizzard, Australia's highest brewery, located at an altitude of 1,550 metres above sea level. We brew with pure fresh water to bring you beer above all. It is above all. And it's pretty gutsy too, 6.5%. That's a nice amount of alcohol for a stout. And it's a lovely stout. So cheers fellas, get onto this one. Never seen it before. If I knew it was that good, I would have got half a dozen. Would have been cheaper too. That's gorgeous. I'll make sure I keep a few of them for winter. Even though we had about 10 degrees last night, the coldest day for a couple of months, or coldest night for a few months. So it's wake up Australia. It's autumn's here. Alright. I used to go skiing up at Hotham all the time. I learnt to ski there on a ski trip with high school. And we skied Hotham and Mount Beauty and Falls. But I've been up with a few mates and we'd stayed in chalets at Mount Hotham. That's the way to go skiing. Get up there Friday and you got Friday afternoon on the weekend pass, and then you just get your legs going. So Saturday you can have a good day skiing. Sunday morning usually you don't go skiing, especially if it's a blizzard and you got a hangover, which we usually always had a hangover up there. But Sunday afternoon you'd be back out there. Classic. Alright, cheers everyone. I'll be buying this next time I go up there, I tell you. It'll be great up in the snow. Cheers Blizzard, thanks for your beautiful stout. That's a ripper.